Hello everyone. Uh, my name is Reena Goenka. I'm the director, founder of Insightful Counseling and Training Private Limited. I'm also the therapist who works with many clients day in and day out. One question has been frequently asked over the past 1 year. Is online counseling effective? Does online counseling really work? My resounding answer is yes, it does. Let me start by giving first the advantages of online counseling. Now, one of the biggest advantage of online counseling has been the availability of my clients, especially in the past 1 year with the circuit breaker coming in, lockdown, travel being a big issue. What we also realized is most of us had to actually juggle multiple roles. I'm sure you had to too. I had to be the counselor, I had to be the mother at home, taking care of the groceries, running around. Thankfully, I did not have the job of taking care of my children's school, and I know many have even struggled with schooling. So, to find that 1 hour, precious 1 hour for self care was very important. And that is what online therapy did during the circuit breaker. Had you asked me before the circuit breaker, is online therapy effective? I don't know what my answer would be truthfully. But today, after going through so many of my clients with my clients on Zoom, I can say yes, it is effective. What I also noticed is the intimate therapeutic relationship that I'm building with my clients is slightly different than what I build when they come to my office. Now, let me give you a small example. I'm able to kind of peep into their private lives. With my one of my clients, I just saw a guitar lying in his living room. And we just went on talking about guitar, the music instruments, and music. And generally, we were able to build a better rapport than I may have built with him when we were in our physical location. Now, having said that, online counseling may not be for everyone. It depends on what you would like. If you like physical face to face counseling, go ahead and do it. If you like to have therapy from the privacy of your place, that's also good. Now, I've noticed when we are therapists, we can notice the nuances of our body language, clients' body language, the way clients' eyes sparkle, cry, the way their gestures, their tone, all this makes a difference in understanding them. Rapport can be built thousands of miles away. We don't need that physical space. Listening here is recognized by my clients. They appreciate it. Today, most of us are technologically savvy. Most of us are doing video conferencing. So, even those clients who found technology a task are today coming and telling me, Reena, can we just do video conferencing? And I say, okay, let's go ahead and do video therapy. So, I have been practicing not only talk therapy, but I have been processing and healing my clients with therapies like eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, brain spotting, and let me tell you, each institute like the EMDR Institute, the Brain Spotting Institute, and all other therapeutic institutes are coming up with best protocols to ensure the safety of our clients. I hope I answered your question and I would love to hear from you. Do ask more questions so that I can come and answer them. Thank you for today. Bye.